The interweb has turned into quite a big thing anymore.
I know. We have people that handle
What you do in the industry, you guys are legit, you're awesome, and thank you very much, Bob.
You go to most car shows.
He's left a big hole in the industry. Great crew that you have. So.
How you doing?
Cheese all night. Get out in the garage and enjoy something. We still raise students a lot. Yeah.
Off the seat in the nitro car for the charity. But Gary does a lot for the Gary Sinise Foundation here, and he's getting the cackle of night. Good question. Does he have experience drag racing? He's done everything. Okay. Yeah, beautiful nitro cars here. They always get a great set of cackle cars here. This not Sunday, but Sunday comes out. Can you do the drag race thing, Kevin? Saturday! And then, did you guys get permission? Because I heard police showed up late the night last night. Did you guys just fire it up?
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Gary Case.
Got runner-up in the finals. I know he's a little defeated because you're taking home the big money and the big check and the trophy.
Absolutely awesome. Perfect pass. Got great crew.
Great reaction time, bro.
Oh, yes. Thank you very much.
All right, well, appreciate everybody joining us. I'm Kevin Osty, joined by Mac from Gandra.
Crown, and just like you guys were saying earlier on, this is the type of show. It's something that you don't get on our shows.
Yeah, that's true. And you're on the road quite a bit.
Yeah, I'm on the road about a dozen shows a year.
I'm old and I am slow.
Oh, you made it in the finals, and runner-up is not too bad, especially when we go into show cars.
Get ready. We're coming hard and fast.
Well, good luck at the Winter Nationals. Congratulations on the U.S. Nationals win. I've always wanted to do.
Build in their garage. It doesn't have to be a crazy, insane building. You want a reliable, good, powerful.
What you actually are doing at this event. Tell us about what Gandra has to offer.
Yeah, we offer
Sell anywhere.
Yeah, we'll sell it anywhere. We ship it free all over the country. Other countries of California. It is the simplest way. If you want to put all three into your Chevelle. Yeah. That's the popular one. The most upcoming right now is going to be the L8Ts and the L8Ts. That's that 6.6. So you can take it.
Yeah, so if you have one of them,
I want to go to a place where every car over here.
That's a very large one. There's a lot of stuff in there.
what kind of warranty are we seeing from If I build a car and I throw a crate LS3 in it, and I'm still under warranty, I'm cruising down the highway in 5 states over.
What do you?
All right, as far as reaching out to you when you're not on the road or something like that.
You guys have a C10 truck, don't you?
K10.
Oh, K10, that's nice.
So,
Now, you know, Benjamin's 8-year-long girlfriend.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting close to kicking off our two.
I love it.
You kind of want to be one of the last 6 to pull up.
I want you to notice that Callaway and down here having a good time.
These are the guys putting this on.
Responsible for the show, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I go to 20 events around this country. I hope this doesn't get. We're out here in the rain today, hanging out with our friends, because that's what we do. I think half of you guys would be here, hanging out with the cool people. Is sitting right over there. Quirky Coker, the best mustache in automotive world. We got all kinds of who's who out here. They don't give us a radio.
For those of you who were here last year, you may not have recognized.
The funny thing about that one was on social media when somebody posted that Alloway had his pants down and didn't explain it. We're going to have Bobby come on up and Gary for a moment, and we're going to get some.
Finally bringing Alan Johnson out of his shell. He used to be really shy and quiet, and it's like we've cracked that nugget now. He's loose.
Ladies and gentlemen, Gary Case and Bobby Alloway.
USA Today nominated the Triple Crown of Riding as one of the top 10. And thanks to everyone here.
He wanted to come down here. He's helped us all 3 years. And I'll die where I'm happy. And that's what he did. And then Kev Dog, you know, Jim Stallsworth. And in his
Mobility Works, who donated all the handicapped vans out there to move all of our Mobility Works donated $5,000. But when we get going on here, renting of a car of your choice, he'll do. He's going to offer that service again, and he'll be back here. Chip, anyway, Chip is. We're going to get off the stage, and thank you to everyone. Thank you so much.
I don't think that we need to sort of have a prayer, because if it wasn't for the Lord did it here the last 2 years, and I honestly don't think I can do it. But I got a good friend of mine, Bobby Joe Hancock.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Man, what a wonderful weekend. I don't care if it didn't rain. Here we go. Here we go. We're so happy to be part of this. We're so happy to be a part of this. And me personally, I'm happy to be part of this. I'm glad that these coloring, these pictures that they do, and watching them do it is so much fun. With the little ones, 0 to 3, Wesley Laird. Wesley Laird, you hear? Start shoulder creativity. Taylor Combs. Enjoy it. I will see you soon somewhere. Okay. Taylor Combs. Outstanding. Come on up here. All right. Taylor, we're going to move along. Come on down when you get ready. Some outstanding creativity there. Oh my gosh.
And there's gotta be a reason that you're speaking to me. And there's gotta be a reason that you're looking at me. I wish it wasn't in my nature, but I've got needs. I wish I liked another flavor, but when you're cool, you know I can't resist. I knew you was a problem.